Hi, I'm Eric Santana with Santana Outdoors. Today we're in this little valley here in Arizona looking for elk. Stephanie has a early rifle bugle tag. And yesterday we came in here looking for some bulls. We think we found about a 390 bull in here over on this ridge. So we're just seeing if we can glass them up and see exactly what it is. You see him? That's not a bull. Is that him? Find the biggest one. Coming over here too. That one's broken. Right through the cutting trees. Going, look right over there. He's not broken, brother. Yeah, he is. Holy moly, there's the bull. Look at that sucker. Hurry. Eric, is that the one to the left you were talking about that was in the trees? Yeah, I think so. That's it. Oh my gosh, that's it. That's a big bull. Yeah, we gotta get that one, guys. Okay, let's go right up here, Mike, and get set up and shoot him. Oh, shoot, he's a good brother. Right there, let's just go right here. That's a huge bull, huh? Stay right behind Mike. Get right behind Mike. Fighting. They're fighting. Is he up on top, Mike? What? He's way up there. Those trees. That's not him. Hey. Is it that top bull? There he is. There he is. Is he the top one? He's in the draw. Eric is in the draw. Oh, he's a top dude. rest over. All right. That's not the same. There he is. Is that him right there? Got me open. Yeah, that's it. Psst. Psst. Mike, there's a guy right there. That's a bull. There's a guy right there. A guy. I see that bull right there. It's a small one. See its antler. He's a small one right there. Just a dink. All right, let's go. Mike. Brother, Mike, I think we need to try to go right through here if we can. Is that him? Where at, Mike? Tell me out. Eric. Where is he? I need you to help me. Is that him right there? That's him. His head's in the bushes. Go for it. I heard it hit. Load her up. Load her up. Find it, hit it again.
Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh my gosh!
Reload just in case. Reload just in case.
Oh my gosh!
Reload.
Oh.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Okay.
It's all right.
Oh my
Right
gosh.
on him just
Look
in
at his
case.
head. You'll see his antlers maybe. Why do you
Do I
might
need
do
to get
that?
him again?
No, he's
Just in
down.
case.
Just hang on.
No.
Just in case he comes out. Just hang on.
Just do the same thing. Get
I
on
think
him.
he's 360 plus, brother.
He's a nice bull.
He's a nice bull.
Good eye guards, everything that
He's
we've been
got
looking
mass
for.
too.
And
It-
you drop him and you can't.
Did you press record or did you pull a set?
Oh, I got record.
Okay.
Wow.
I can't move.
Unbelievable.
Good job, Stevie.
Call him. Tell him it's over.
Chris, we got one down.
I can't move.
Oh,
That's the best one you've seen.
awesome.
Is that good? It's good.
It's bigger than any bull any of these guys.
Dude, did you see him drop? Oh,
You hear him the first time, he just went. And he just sitting there.
I thought I
When you hear the
was-
second time, he just went. I got it on video.
You dumb.
I didn't think I'd hit him. I didn't think I'd hit him.
Good job, sir. Have a girl do that.
Woohoo! Good job, Stevie. Awesome.
Scared to go up there.
Hold on. Do you want Billy to go?
He's the biggest bull that we've seen. That's the one we seen earlier because his body was all dark and rutted in the mud.
Wow.
That's the best bull that we've seen this morning.
Awesome.
Good mass too.
Did you copy that? I'm sorry.
Wow. Oh, I blew its side.
Yeah. Look at the mass. That's a good bull, Stevie.
Did I miss the first time?
I think you hit him here the first time.
Oh, the camera's right.
Wow.
He is mass, huh?
Brother, look how heavy he is, dude. We weren't seeing anything like that yesterday.
That is bad.
All right, Stevie, here we go, sweetie.
We saw him. Then what happened?
Well, by the time we actually were able to get somewhat of a shot, they had already bought him out at the bottom and came back up on this hillside, so it was going to end up being like a 500-yard shot, so we just had to try to close in the gap, so we just bottomed out with them, and then we came up right on the side of them. And luckily there's so much cows and bulls in here that they just didn't even care that we came in this close. So just got set up and took the best shot that we could get.